Hey everyone, with its innovative technologies and striking style, the Redmi K80 Pro has swept the market. It was unveiled as a member of Xiaomi's most recent flagship series and stands out from its predecessors thanks to its potent performance, cutting-edge features, and elegant appearance. For the Redmi K80 Pro, the unboxing process is quite simple. A USB Type-C charging cable, a non-transparent protective cover, and an amazing 120-watt charger, an improvement over the 90-watt charger that comes with the base model Redmi K80, are all included in the box. The box itself features a bold new logo for the K series, while maintaining Xiaomi's basic style. The Redmi K80 Pro boasts a sophisticated design style. For a high-end yet functional appearance, the back panel has a dual-tone finish that combines glossy glass with a matte, fingerprint-resistant part, with enhancements in clarity and performance over earlier generations. The camera module has been improved in both appearance and functionality. Fans of the distinctive characteristics of the Redmi range may be disappointed by the absence of several iconic functions, such as the IR blaster. Despite being somewhat heavier than its predecessor, the phone has good ergonomics. Although it feels like it belongs on a contemporary flagship gadget, the 6.67-inch display is bright and colorful. An ultrasonic fingerprint scanner located beneath the screen provides quicker and more secure unlocking. However, a complete presentation of this capability was not possible due to the constraints of the demo unit. Compared to the vanilla Redmi K80, which has a basic Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Redmi K80 Pro offers a notable performance bump thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite CPU. Additionally, the K80 Pro has expandable RAM up to 16 gigs, which facilitates multitasking. Its enormous 6,000 mAh battery, which is backed by lightning-fast 120-watt charging, guarantees prolonged use. Another highlight is the camera system. While the front-facing 20-megapixels camera serves selfie fans, the back module boasts a 50-megapixels main sensor, a 32-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixels telephoto shooter. With its support for 4K video recording at 60 frames per second on the back camera, the K80 Pro produces consistent and colorful images in the majority of situations. Although it can only capture 1080p at 60 frames per second, the front camera offers good quality for casual use. Performance benchmarks show the Redmi K80 Pro's actual capabilities. It surpasses several rivals, including some of Xiaomi's own earlier models, with an Antutu score of more than 2.7 million. The gadget effectively controls heat in spite of its raw power. During prolonged stress tests, temperatures peaked at a tolerable 41.6 degrees Celsius. The audio quality is likewise outstanding. Gaming and multimedia consumption are improved by the clear, immersive sound produced by the two speakers. Speaking of gaming, the device is excellent. Its powerful GPU and well-optimized software allow it to run even the most taxing titles with ease. To sum up, the Redmi K80 Pro achieves a good mix between cost, design, and performance. Its flagship-level specs and sophisticated user interface more than make up for the absence of several essential features, like expandable storage and an infrared blaster. The Redmi K80 Pro is a strong contender for one of the year's best gadgets, regardless of whether you're a power user, gamer, or someone looking for a high-end camera phone. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.